Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Gary, and today I'm talking about one of nature's sweetest treats, the strawberries. They're not just delicious, they pack a real punch when it comes to nutrition, and I'll show you why adding more strawberries to your diet is a win for your health. First up, strawberries are loaded with vitamin C. Just 1 cup of strawberries has more vitamin C than an orange. Vitamin C boosts your immune system and helps you keep your skin glowing and healthy. I think I need more strawberries. Strawberries also do wonders for your heart. They contain antioxidants like anthocyanins, which can reduce your risk of heart disease by improving the cholesterol levels and lowering your blood pressure. If you're watching your weight or just trying to stay healthy, strawberries are the perfect snack. They're low in calories, only being about 50 calories per cup. So what I have right here is 100 calories of strawberries. That's pretty low. And they're full of fiber, which keeps your digestion running smoothly and helps you to feel fuller longer. Do you want to keep your brain sharp as you age? Well, duh. Strawberries contain something called flavonoids, which are linked to improved brain function and memory. Who knew strawberries could help you with school or work? I feel like trying to solve some quadratic equations. Better get some fruit. And good news if you're watching your blood sugar. Strawberries are low on the glycemic index. That means they won't cause sudden spikes in your blood sugar, making them a great fruit for anyone managing diabetes or just avoiding sugar crashes. So the next time you grab a handful of strawberries, or better yet, grow them in your own garden, just know that you're doing something great for your body. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, how do you like to enjoy your strawberries? Eating fresh out of hand? Maybe you prefer a smoothie? It's called Camel Fuel, which is a mixture of strawberries and bananas and guava juice and some other things. Absolutely excellent. Or maybe you're one of those people that like a little chocolate on your strawberry. Try this and see if I like it. Doesn't work for me. I like fruits and chocolate, but I like bananas with chocolate. I like raisins with chocolate, like Raisinets. But strawberries with chocolate, dried cherries covered with dark chocolate, I like that. I appreciate your tuning in. Thank you for watching. This is Gary. Have a nice day.